In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Google Sites by adding an external page link. This is a simple yet highly effective way to expand the functionality of your website and connect your visitors to additional resources or related content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be adept at linking external pages seamlessly, creating a more interactive and informative experience for your site visitors. To get started, visit your Google Sites page. If you're not already familiar with how to navigate to Google Sites, simply go to sites.google.com and sign in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard where all your sites are listed. If you don't have one yet, you might consider creating a new site by clicking on the plus icon to explore these features. Now let's move on to the main task, adding an external page link. This is particularly useful when you want to guide your users to other websites that correlate with the content of your site, or when you need to provide more detailed information than what is available directly on your own pages. Begin by locating the Pages tab on the menu on the right side of your screen. Clicking on it will reveal the structure of your site, displaying all the individual pages you currently have. Here's where you'll add the new link. Look for the small, distinctive plus icon, which is your gateway to creating new pages or links. With a simple click on the plus icon, a menu will pop up presenting you with a couple of options. From this menu, select New Link. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the name for this new link. It's important that you choose a name that accurately reflects the content or purpose of the link so that your visitors can easily understand where it will take them. It keeps the user experience smooth and intuitive, preventing any confusion. Once you have chosen an appropriate name, you'll see a section labeled Link. This is where you will input the URL of the website you wish to link to. Make sure you copy the correct, complete URL from your browser's address bar, ensuring your visitors will be directed to the exact page you intended. And just like that, you're done. You now have an external page link integrated into your Google Sites page. This simple step can significantly enhance the value and relevance of your website, providing a richer experience for your audience. The beauty of Google Sites is its simplicity, both for creators and users, allowing you to expand your site capabilities without needing extensive technical knowledge. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that it empowers you to make the most of your Google Sites. Be sure to explore other features and keep pushing the boundaries of what you can achieve with this intuitive tool. Until next time, happy website building!